So it was very crucial actually. This engine was used to put the Neil Armstrong in a moon. So we must know actually that engine, right? So cryogenic engine is very important engine because of their efficiency. Thing is that, see, if you talk about the liquid earth is stored in liquid fuel or solid fuel, 1 kg if you burn, you will be getting some energy. But that cryo fuel, if it burns, it will give some 50 times more than that of what? Liquid. So cryogenic was very important for us actually. We developed finally that engine. So this GSLV is used to inject the GSAT actually, geosynchronous cryo, that is used for what? Telecommunication, television and etc. That is very costly. We invest almost $24,000 for 1 kg actually, right? So then this is your regular routine work actually, injecting satellite into orbit, right? For remote sensing, PSLV, then GSLV, right? But we are space scientists, so we don't stop our to that PSLV or GSLV only. So always we think for some higher things actually. So when I joined in 2007, 2008 actually, Chandrayaan 1 was launched actually. So it was my fortune actually. Luckily, I was in that team actually. So there is a system that we call actually RFDS, remote field and drain system. I was involved in that actually. So almost 1 year I worked in that system actually. And finally Chandrayaan succeeded, and no one actually, space agency, could find the water particles in a moon. NASA, JAXA, ESA, European agency, but ISRO could find that actually. ISRO confirmed that water particle is there in a moon surface actually. So Chandrayaan was our major milestone actually. Chandrayaan 2 is in a queue actually, right? It is in a rover we are going to put actually in 2017 or 18, that is our time. So Chandrayaan, after we have now a good map of Chandrayaan actually. We could make the Chandrayaan whether it is atmosphere, mineralogy or surface texture or what is the gas present, everything we have all data actually. So we can use this data in our future mission actually. So after reaching to the Chandrayaan, moon actually, moon is only 1,95,000 kilometers actually. We didn't stop actually. And this time our target was Mars, actually, red planet actually. So in a very short span of time actually, we had to develop and design that LAM engine actually. That we call actually liquid opposite motor actually. I am posted in a Liquid Propulsion System Center, Trivandrum actually. From last 8.5 years I am there only. So Mars, PSLV C-25 we used to put that Mangalyaan, that satellite, into first in an Earth orbit actually. Then from 5 consecutive operations we raised that orbit actually. Finally we gave a escape velocity that is more than 11.2 km per second, and that there was a trajectory, and it reached where? Mars after 321 days. Because we started on 5 November 2013 and it reached Mars on 24 September 2000. So it was after, when this satellite reached that Mars actually, their velocity was 34 km per second actually. You can imagine actually what is the adventure involved actually, 34, and it is almost 2 crore kilometers. So just I will talk about some challenges actually. What were the major challenges we faced in that mission actually? Because that is more, that will give you some excitement, right? First actually, communication from the satellite. 24 minutes required to communicate the satellite actually. Means 12 मिनट जाने में 12 मिनट आने में actually. आपको 24 मिनट के बाद ही पता चलेगा कि वहाँ क्या हुआ actually. And 24 मिनट में आपकी स्पीड थी, तो स्पीड was 34 km per second. So you can imagine when signal started from your data center, that is our Bangalore, Belalu, that we have 24-meter diameter antenna actually. From there only we were coordinating that signal, right now. So 24 minutes. So suppose we want to change the orientation of the satellite, or we want to give it delta V. So we put the command actually. Then after 24 minutes we will be knowing actually whether it worked or no. Right? And again in 24 minutes what happened? 24 minutes, 1 second engine, that is liquid apposimeter, that is pressure fed engine. First we fired when it escaped from the earth. We gave delta V, our accelerometer measured the delta V, right? And our accelerometer was so fantastic and fabulous. That accelerometer was giving exact delta V. So once we fired when satellite escaped from where? Earth actually. And it traveled 321 days actually. After traveling 321 days, when it reached to the Mars gravitational field has to capture the satellite, right now? Because otherwise it will go. So what we did actually, when it reached to the Mars. So the difference between this firing sequence was how many days? 321 days actually. So एक बार आप अपनी बाइक अभी स्टार्ट करना, फिर 321 दिन के बाद करो, क्या चांसेस है कि स्टार्ट होंगे? Very less probability you have studied, right now. So it is very less chances actually. And one major problem actually, the propellant was pressurized actually. The pressurized and 300 after 321 days actually, because you have inside you have 5 bar pressure, outside you have 0 G and perfect vacuum actually. When nothing is there inside the system, we call actually perfect vacuum, that you study in your thermal science, right now, PK Naki book, man. Okay. So what is the leak actually? You can estimate the leak from the propellant to 321 days. Kitna leak ho? What was the leak actually? If you know the leak rate, right now. So if you multiply with the time, then it will give you the loss of the fuel. So that was the second challenge actually. Getting the point? So then third challenge was that Mars capture actually, because the direction of velocity, getting the point? Because it may go away from the Mars surface, or suppose velocity is not sufficient, it will not go to that Mars actually. And if you are giving more, then it will not revolve or it will not rotate about the Mars. It will go. So these are the challenges. People sometimes ask actually, why Mangalyaan? What is the purpose actually? Why did you waste 4,450 crore rupees actually? Right now, what is the purpose? First purpose of Mangalyaan was to demonstrate. That we call actually technology demonstrator actually. Suppose we are a space scientist, we cannot sit simply, we cannot stop our thinking. We always think ahead actually, and when we design something, we must check it right now. So technology demonstrator means to check our technology, what we have presently, what is our capability right now. So now what is our capability? Capability to reach red planet. So this technology and the data what we got from this operation, this mission actually, this data is very useful actually. No space agency gives us data actually. So if you know this data actually, because once you have traveled from engineering college to railway station, then you know the path actually, where the traffic right now, where where I will not get auto. So all this experience you will be getting from the mission. So that experience we got actually. Second actually, mineralogy, morphology and environmental studies. So we now have data of Mars environment, Mars surface and Mars, all this where the hill is stone, etc. actually. So now we have data actually, right? So this is the Mars. So this Mars actually, after this Mars we have another mission that will be launched in 2018 I think, right now, because when we say some date, no, we are not able to fulfill that date actually. Reason is that everything is new actually, getting the point. So if you have studied your project, program evaluation review technique and critical path method right now, so generally we estimate 3 times: optimistic, pessimistic and most likely. So all time fails actually.
Amardeep, you tell the students about yourself. They will be far more.
So this time I was talking actually right now. So project is a goal actually. It is an aim and it consists of 1,000 lakhs of activities actually, and each activity consumes time and resources right now. So we are not able to complete that project because of this. Suppose for an example, I started the journey from hotel to here. It took almost 2.5 hours because I was not knowing the traffic condition here. So all optimistic, pessimistic, most timing. Then just I will share something actually, how we can reach ISRO actually, or some tips I will give actually. Generally when I visit school, colleges, some success tips or something I share actually, how I reached actually. First things is there is no substitute of hard work. Labor never goes in vain. If you are, and when my story, if I share with you actually, my background, I studied in a government middle school actually, then government high school, and my percentage mark was only 53 in a 10th. Then my father, actually he was behind me actually, he is a 1966 graduate actually. 1966 graduate, you can imagine actually how old he is. So 1966 with how many years? It is almost 51 years, right now? Kawan saal pehle graduate kiye hai. So he was behind me actually. Then I went like you people, Patna, right now. After reaching BC Bhagalpur actually. So placement to nahi tha. आप लोग इस समय there is a placement, right now? That's good actually. We can reach beyond that private, what you call actually companies and all. And why you target small thing actually? You target UPSC, engineering services, NTPC, HPCL, ONGC, BPCL, and ISRO, TBS. I got posted actually. I got the placement. Sir only did that actually. Lafarge event sir. You shared. सुना मैं IIT JEE निकाल लिया उस समय, उस साल सेकंड ईयर में था तो मेरे को मन ही नहीं लगता तेरे क्या कॉलेज कि अमरदीप वेयर सर आई एम इन BHU आई एम इन IIT Delhi attending interview. No, you go Jamshedpur, attend that interview, Lafarge event. I get almost 1,000 rank actually. Last year I got. You first question yourself actually. Why do you need success? What are the options you have? Find the purpose of success. Once you ask question to yourself, you will be getting the answer. Answer is very simple. Yes, job chahiye. Right now, you want a job actually because your family requires job, support their family requires. Papa कहते हैं उम्मीद होगा बेटा इंजीनियर बन गया, job नहीं मिला तो कैसे? Right? You must. So once you have decided actually, and what I am telling you, you people are very, very, very good, intelligent people actually. इतने बड़े बड़े कंपटीशन क्वालिफाई करके आते हो तुम लोग BCC नाम इतना बड़ा राइट सो नो you defy how many people are cream of the Bihar. Why you don't admit yourself? You people are cream of the Bihar actually. Unfortunately you didn't get IT. It doesn't matter where do you study, matters only what do you study and how do you study. काम करते हैं इसरो में Facebook, WhatsApp, everything for few months or 1 year actually. Getting the point actually. सब चीज you have to face that irritation, frustration. Question नहीं बन रही यार कैसे बनेगा? But that is the common part of the student life actually. Suppose sir is a teacher, teachers are sitting, they come, I mean our college, they spend 8 hours. As a student, what is your duty actually? You must work 8 hours. Suppose I punch, that is your biometric, our signature is ISRO actually. So we thumb our, then we go inside. Right now, so we have to spend 8 hours actually. And if we spend more, then it is very good actually. Boss will be very happy, then promotion will be easy actually. So as a student, what is your duty actually? Student duty is to study. अब स्टडी करते करते प्रॉब्लम आज तो प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करना ऐसा नहीं कि सो यार समझ में नहीं आ रहा. समझ में एक बार आ जाए तो फिर तो आइंस्टीन बन गया. समझ में नहीं आ रहा है एक बार में तो आप लोग नॉर्मल हो. गेटिंग द पॉइंट एक्चुअली. सो समझ में क्यों मतलब So leave it. So that tips I'm telling you actually. So how to prepare this GATE actually? First, GATE का syllabus download करो actually. अभी ISC conduct कर रहा है ना? You'll be getting some rank 200, 300 like that. GATE is very easy. So you download that question paper, then one topic you take. Then 35 years of the GATE question you keep, right? And after studying that topic, same time you solve all 35-year question paper actually. Same time. You don't move ahead actually. अगला topic start नहीं करना है जब तक ये सारे 80% बना ले. Topic wise